Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business visual emotion post using film grain in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place an image that already carries emotion for the business message. I pause here because choosing the right image is half the story. I duplicate the layer immediately so my workflow stays clean and professional. Now I open Camera Raw filter and begin adding film grain very slowly. I stop for a second and watch how the texture changes the feeling of the image. I gently adjust the grain size so it feels soft and natural, not harsh. I zoom in and carefully inspect key business areas, making sure details stay clear. I slightly reduce